Okay, I'm back again, you guys. I told you I'd come on and show you guys the Glow palette. So I'm just using my larger palette to show you, but basically what it is a 4-tin palette, and it's perfect for summer. Now I'm gonna show you this, and this will get you free shipping if you do the Glow palette. So what the Glow palette consists of, and this can kind of be altered up as well, is a brightening highlight shade, a fun summer lip and shade pop of color, one of our bronzers, and then one of our illuminators. So again, you can switch this up if you want a different illuminator than what I have in here. You can swap it for rose gold or glow illuminator. I'm using Bella bronzer, but you can use tan lines or heat waves or palm. Obviously a million awesome summer shades, and then I'm using my brightening. So again, this is just for light coverage look. This morning I put on a little tinted moisturizer. So that is all I have on is tinted moisturizer, which is my cream and my main highlight. But I would basically use this as well, just on my bare face. Okay, so brightening highlight, I'm just gonna pop on just to kind of add a little brightening under my eyes. And I'm just gonna do a little bit down the center of my face here. Wake up those eyes a little bit. So again, the 4 tins in this palette will get you the compact credit, and it will get you free shipping as well, which is awesome. Okay, lip and cheek shade. I'm using Cindy, which I love for summer. Okay, give myself a little bit of color. And then I have my bronzer and my illuminator. You can do this so many different ways, you guys. You can dot them on your face, you can just use your bronzer, you can use both. But I love doing this little swirl method. So if you choose one of our cream illuminators, you just put it in your palette right next to your bronzer, and you do this little swirl. So I'm swirling in the cream, and then I'm swirling in the bronzer. And then I'm basically just gonna apply like I would my bronzer to the high points where the sun would naturally hit me. So I'm coming on my forehead and my upper cheekbone here. I'm gonna swirl in again in the bronzer, in the illuminator. I'm gonna come on my nose, a little on my chin. A little down my neck. And that is it. So super simple, you guys. These are so much fun to put together. Message me, I would love to put together one for you. Pick out a fun summer lip and cheek, pop your brightening highlight that you already have in there if you use Seint makeup, a cream bronzer, and then one of the illuminators. And again, I would just put this in a 4-tin palette. That's all you need. And it's the perfect little summer glow kit. Super fun. I took a before picture, so I'll take an after and share that with you as well. I'm also just gonna post my link. If you wanna browse around, you can do that. Or again, just reach out if you need anything.